Lesson 14, Photoconductor Drum. You can replace the drum unit completely, but it is expensive. I'll show you how to replace the image drum, cleaning blade, and charge rollers. This will save you around $100. Remove the drum unit from the copier and place it on a flat, clean surface. Special thanks and greetings to new supporters membership. Remove the 4 screws from the rear of the drum unit. Remove the drum drive wheel, and take out the small spacer. Remove the rear plastic cover. Be careful, it may break. Remove 1 screw on the side. Use a sharp knife to cut the seals on the front of the module. Remove the 2 screws and remove the black front cover. There may be a lot of toner under this cover that needs to be cleaned. Remove the drum positioner. Hold the blue drum with your fingers and lift the top of the unit. The lower part is a developing unit. Do not tilt the development. Put it in a safe place while repairing. Now you can remove the image drum. Remove the charge roller. Remove the cleaning roller. Only now you can remove the 2 screws and disassemble the drum cleaning blade. The cleaning blade is a very important element. It must be replaced together with the photosensitive drum. Install the new cleaning blade. After setting the blade on the positioners, screw in the 2 screws again. Install a new or cleaned roller. Install a new or cleaned charge roller. Install a new photoconductor drum. Connect the drum unit to the developer unit. Reinstall the rear cover, screws, and drive wheel. Reinstall the front covers. If you install new parts, as shown, then surely the prints and copies will be of perfect quality. During the film, I did not install new parts, because it is a training film. Good luck with your repairs.